Torus Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into the Torus Crypto Wallet, an innovative, user-friendly, and highly secure option for managing your digital assets. Before we begin, let me remind you that all relevant links to the products mentioned in this review are in the description below. Now let's get straight to the point. Torus is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control over your private keys and funds, ensuring maximum security. What sets Torus apart is its unique approach to user onboarding. Unlike traditional wallets that require you to memorize complex seed phrases, Torus allows you to log in using your existing social media accounts, such as Google, Facebook, or Twitter. This feature is a game changer for beginners who might find the usual crypto wallet setup intimidating. Torus is designed with simplicity in mind, making it ideal for both new and experienced users. The wallet supports multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, providing versatility for managing a variety of digital assets. It also integrates seamlessly with decentralized applications, dApps, allowing you to interact with the growing DeFi ecosystem without leaving the wallet. Security is a top priority for Torus. It uses a distributed key generation, DKG, system that splits your private key into multiple parts and stores them across different nodes. This method enhances security while maintaining user convenience. Even if one of the nodes is compromised, your assets remain safe because the attacker would need access to all parts of the key to gain control. The wallet's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can easily view your portfolio, track transactions, and manage your tokens. Torus also supports Wallet Connect, allowing you to connect to various dApps securely. For those who are constantly on the go, Torus offers a mobile-friendly experience through its web-based platform, which means you can access your wallet from any device with internet access, without the need to download an app. This flexibility is perfect for users who want a seamless experience across multiple devices. To sum it up, Torus is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a secure, easy-to-use crypto wallet with a focus on accessibility and flexibility. Whether you're new to the crypto space or a seasoned investor, Torus provides a reliable solution for managing your digital assets. Remember to check out the links in the description if you're interested in giving it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto reviews and updates.